Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we'll be diving into the promising future of maintenance technicians. Stay tuned as we explore the projected job growth in this sector and how technology is reshaping the role of technicians rather than replacing them. We'll also delve into the changing landscape of maintenance work with the adoption of CMMS, that is, computerized maintenance management systems. Intrigued? Let's dive right in. Did you know that the job outlook for industrial maintenance personnel is projected to grow by about 7% over the next decade? This growth is about average, but it does mean there will be more and more maintenance technician jobs available in the future. You might be wondering why this is the case. Well, a big part of it is the increased role that technology plays in industrial processes. The more machines a plant's operations use, the more maintenance work will be needed to keep them running. Now, I know what you're thinking. With advances in technology and automation, won't these machines start replacing technicians' jobs? But that doesn't seem to be the case. The focus is more on streamlining their jobs and enabling them to be more productive. That being said, the role of a maintenance technician is likely to change quite a bit over the next 10 years. One of the biggest changes we already see happening is a shift from reactive maintenance to proactive models, especially with Industry 4.0 technology. Predictive maintenance using sensors and intelligent root cause analysis systems will mean problems are detected before they result in a failure, and the diagnostics are handled automatically. What does this mean for maintenance technicians? Well, their job will involve less diagnostic work and routine tasks and more responding to automatically generated work orders. Furthermore, the adoption of computerized maintenance management systems is also projected to grow. This means that data will play an even bigger role in technicians' work. Tasks like work orders, asset tracking, and reporting, which are often handled manually, are likely to change with cloud-based services and remote connectivity. This makes maintenance data more current and highly visible. But with these changes comes a challenge. Maintenance teams will have to adapt to these technologies. Implementing a computerized maintenance management system, industrial Internet of Things tech, and predictive maintenance procedures will mean technicians will need to be trained in their use. If these technologies are implemented too quickly, it could lead to frustration and inefficiency. But if they are phased in intelligently, it will empower technicians to be more efficient at their jobs and make their role more visible. The end result? An emphasis on the importance of the role maintenance technicians play, which will only serve to solidify their position in maintenance and facilities management. So the future looks bright for maintenance technicians. With the right training and adaptation to new technologies, they will continue to play a crucial role in the maintenance and facilities management industry. Thank you for watching. We've covered the promising future of maintenance technicians, the role of technology, and the importance of computerized maintenance management system. Remember, the future is bright for maintenance technicians with the right training and adaptation to new technologies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team, visit upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more insights on the future of maintenance and reliability teams.